AustIQ is a proven platform. The AustIQ pods gives the insights for our customers to ensure that they're moving away from unscheduled breakdowns of their attachments and that the truck body or the bucket intends exactly as it's designed in operation.
The biggest challenge we saw around reviewing customer wear patterns is the irregular pattern and how often they take captures of wear.
What the pods are going to do is take the human element away. By having data fed from these pods directly into AustIQ, we eliminate the need for someone to physically go and perform the inspection, improving safety, and gives real-time data decisions for our customers where they can log in and make strategy-based decisions on that asset in real time.
AustIQ provides the ability for our customers to review one tray, but also do a comparison against another tray at a different site on the same truck.
The tech that drives the AustIQ platform and pods have been developed by people that actually understand mining and are at the forefront of loading and hauling. The AustIQ pods really are a game changer in regards to live data set. It's going to be safer, more accurate. It's going to give us insights that we've not seen before.
In the end, all our customers want to maximise and save money.
That accurate data is going to allow for real-time planning, not only for our customers, but it's going to allow us as Austin to develop the next truck body that's going to go even further.